Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's just a quick kind of review today. Just before Christmas, I decided to take my board a quick run up the road. It was only going 5 minutes up the road, so I was silly and I didn't put on my pads to keep me protected. And it came off. I don't know how it came off, but it did. Got a massive wobble, just went flying. So I thought I need something that I can just chuck on, to be honest. Everyone said you can get armoured hoodies and things like that, so I thought, great. I started having a look at all these armoured hoodies. And you know what? They're a little bit on the pricey side. So I tried to have a look around and see if I can make some kind of a compromise. Now, on Amazon, I did find this hoodie here. It probably wasn't the cheapest one. You can find hoodies on there for about $24.99. But the reviews on them were particularly great. And they were just basically a cotton hoodie with some kind of padding in with it. Now, when I started looking at the other technology involved, they had things like Kevlar and that. So I thought, well, yeah, I probably want it, even if you got the pads, the rest of it needs to have some kind of protection. So I went on this one. This, I believe, was $79.99. So not the cheapest one, but considering there's other brands out there that are into the couple of £100, I thought that was quite a good compromise. Looking at their sizes, you obviously have to measure your chest. Measured my chest, apparently I'm a 44 inch chest, so what I did was order the large. Getting it though. I'd say a lot of people said, you know, and you should order a size larger. I just went off what they said. They said measure your chest, order the one for that. Mine was 44, I ordered a large. Straight off the bat, it's quite heavy, you know, I mean, it already feels like it's got some kind of protection in it. I can feel it in the shoulders. Feel it here down in the elbows as well, and there is a back one too. Inside you can see you can get to the armour itself. It's got some Velcro in there and the armour padding's down there. I'm guessing in the arms it's probably the same. Yeah, Velcro there, armour's here, so you can take out all the armour. It is machine washable, which is great. It says to only machine wash at 30. So I'm guessing you just take out your armour bits, chuck it in the washing machine, jobs are good. Comes with an inside pocket, an inside zipped pocket. Also comes with a pocket on the other side for your phone. And up here, which I only just realised, has a little port where obviously your wire can come through for your headphones or whatever it is that you want to go through this. That can go through your hoodie into your phone down there. I think that's a really good touch. We have a couple of air vents at the top. I said they are air vents, they're not pockets. If you open those up, there's nothing there. It's just this tiny little sack, so it is just an air thing. What I will say as well, I have tried it on already. When you put it on, you don't notice the heat so much, but that is a perfect fit. Perfect. Say from actually zipping it up. See, it's quite well. It's nice and snug. It's how I like hoodies. The elbow pads directly right over the elbow, so they have all situated exactly where they need to be, which I think is great. Again, I mean, obviously when you come off something, things are going to shift, you know, because it's a material. It's not strapped to me in any way, this pad, but it will offer that little bit of protection, and hopefully I won't get holes in my arm. Keeps the weather out, keeps me protected. My board can only do up to about 20 miles an hour anyway, so no, I'm quite pleased with it. I really like the, you know, how it feels. It's very warm, you know. It's I think it's worth the money, you know. I've got to admit, granted I haven't tested it in a crash yet, and hopefully I won't, but for now I'm quite chuffed with it. So any questions at all, obviously just leave me a comment down below. Please like and subscribe this video. I'm really trying to grow the channel, so I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe. And I will see you on the next one. So thanks a lot, and take care.